Hi guys, now if you are somebody who is just a beginner in this makeup game and wants to look beautiful in this wedding season but don't have much money to invest on high-end products and different kinds of tools, then here is a hack. Pick a good foundation of your shade and blend it using a blender. Take a fluffy brush like this. This kind of brushes are available in Amazon. You can easily buy them from Amazon. They are available in singles. And dip your brush into a translucent powder. Dust the powder on your face beautifully. A coral color lipstick. You can apply it on your cheeks, on your lids and on your lips too. Dot the lipstick on your cheek and blend it using your fingers. Tap the product beautifully on your skin. Bring it up to your nose and under your eyes too. If you feel that your blush is looking too much, then here's a hack too. Put your powder brush onto your compact and just tap that powder over the blush. For contour and eyeshadow and for each and every purposes, you just need to buy a single palette like this. This one is from Cups and Lashes, and you need to buy a brush which is pointed like this. Using this brush you can apply your blush, you can apply your contour, you can apply powders, and you can also use it to blend your concealer. So this is a multitasking brush. So what I am gonna do is I will dip my brush. Now I'm gonna blend it on my skin. We'll concentrate the contour in this particular area. Apply contour on the usual areas of face. Now apply the contour over your jawline, over your nose, under your chin and on the forehead to bring a certain warmth to your skin and make it look more skin-like. Apply a good and generous coat of mascara over your upper lash. Do the same on your lower lash line too to make the eyes look more bigger. Link of the brushes and the palettes are in the description box. Go and check it out. Tapped a fluffy brush. This is a multi-purpose brush. Took a contour shade and applied it on my crease for a transition. And that's it guys. This is the only shade I will put on my lid. Taking an angle brush, dipping it into a black eyeshadow, I am just pulling out a liner and smudging it nicely. I went back to the same palette and grabbed the black and brown shade and used that two shades to fill in my brows. I took the fluffy brush, dipped it into the contour shade and gave my nose a little bit of contour. As you can see, I gave a nice little contour to my nose and brought that color down my nose too. Went into the same palette and took a golden shade and took this fluffy brush to highlight the cheekbones of my face. Put the shade on your bridge of nose, on your cupid bow and on the brow bone to highlight those areas. Today I chose a brown color to fill in my lips and I filled my lips using that brown color. That's completely brown and I love the shade. It is going well with my look. Used a red bindi and a nice jhumka and used a red banarasi to complement my look, and that's it. This is a simple and beginner friendly makeup look which is wearable enough in this season of wedding. And so yeah, I have finished my look. I hope you guys will like it, and this is a very affordable and beginner friendly look. Go and check it out. If you guys recreate this look, then don't forget to tag me on Instagram. This is my Instagram link. Okay guys, bye, see you very soon.